morning, students. How are you? Today I am going to discuss about natural gas and compressed natural gas. Okay? These are the part of the sources of energy. In previous class, all of you learned that how coal and petroleum are formed. Okay? Here, what is natural gas? Where it is produced. Okay? Natural gas is an important fossil fuel. It is a mixture of methane with a small amount of ethane, propane and butane. Okay? It occurs deep under the crust of the earth near the soil source. Okay? Approx 95% amount of methane is presented in natural gas. This shows that methane is the main constituent of the natural gas. It occurs deep under the crust of the earth near the wild shores. Okay? When we drill well, then first of all natural gas comes out, and on the basis of this natural gas we guess what amount of petroleum is presented inside the earth crust. Okay? Natural gas is a good fuel. Its calorific value is 55 kilojoule per gram, while the calorific value of LPG is 50 kilojoule per gram. Okay? This is the calorific value of LPG. Okay? Liquefied petroleum gas. This indicates that natural gas is better fuel than LPG. Okay? Compressed natural gas is a type of natural gas which is obtained from natural gas. Also, compressed natural gas, when natural gas in liquid form is subjected to high pressure, then it is called compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas is alternative source of petroleum products petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Okay? It is better fuel and it is much environmental friendly with respect to petrol and diesel. Okay? In our India, most of the cities like Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, and etc. CNG is used for running the vehicles. It is available on the petrol pumps. Okay? It releases a small amount of carbon dioxide with respect to the petroleum products. Okay? Now I am going to explain about thermal power plants. Thermal power plants. Power plants means the plant where electricity is generated. Where electricity is generated. Called power plants. Okay? Power plants have many types like thermal power plants, hydropower plants, geothermal power plants, tidal power plants, wave power plants, etc. Okay? Here I am going to discuss about thermal power plant. Thermal power plant. Okay? Thermal power plant. Thermal power plant. It is the type of power plant in which coal or petroleum products are used as fuel purposes and produced heat after their burning used to convert water into steam, and this steam is used to rotate the blades of the turbine machine, and hence electricity is generated. This is the most common power plant all over the world. It sets up those places which are connected to roadways, railways, and airways. First two is most necessary. Okay? Roadways, commonly thermal power plant is established nearer part of the railway station. Okay? Distant from the populated areas because they smoke produced by the chimneys of thermal power plant polluted air nearer part of the plant. Okay, nearer part of the plant. Okay, in spite of this, it is mainly set up in populated area, rarer populated areas. Okay, in our India, approx everywhere thermal power plant is established. Okay, it produces major source of energy in our India. Okay, now I am going to explain another power plant, that means hydropower plants. Hydropower plant. Okay, hydro means water. Okay, that means the power plant which is produced electricity for the use of kinetic energy of the flowing water of rivers, springs, falls, etc. Okay, on the river, a dam is arranged and made. This dam is used to store the running water at higher place, at some height from the surface of the earth, and this stored water is used to flow with huge pressure on the blades of the turbine machine. Okay, and hence blades of turbine machines are rotated and electricity is produced. Dam is made from or over the rivers, which becomes suitable for producing hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is environmental free electricity, because for the running the blades of turbine machine in hydropower plant, no any type of fuel is burnt. Hydropower plant is also situated beside the spring. In a spring, huge amount of water is falling with a high speed from the top of the mountain. This speed of water is controlled and used to rotate the turbine machine of the hydropower plant, and hence electricity is generated. But hydropower plant is not establishes everywhere. It establishes when dams are made on the rivers or beside the spring. Okay, it is important alternative of thermal power plant, but it is not common as like as thermal power plant. Okay, now in next class I will discuss about geothermal power plant, tidal power plant, wave power plant, etc. Till thank you. Have a nice day.